So once the case has been approved and processed and is ready to be executed, our sales user can come in and begin that process. So we're now logged in as Sam Sales. Sam Sales is actually going to make sure that this contract gets executed, and he's going to do that using DocuSign. So we can come into our contracts folder, come into the document library, into our matters folder, and now what we really want to do is copy this document over so that we can make sure that it gets executed. We're going to put it in a pending location that helps us to manage these documents. So we're just going to copy this into our sales site out of the contract site into our pending folder here. We can click OK, and now if we navigate back to our sales location, we see in the document library that we have in our pending folder our services contract. So what we now want to do is reach out for signatures. So to do that, all that we need to do is open our actions and find DocuSign Send. When we click this, it's going to be automatically sent out to our other parties that need to sign it in order to fully execute it. So we get a success message, and now if we come back to the inbox, again we're going to do a little bit of imagining here that the inbox that we're looking at is the inbox of the parties that need to execute to sign this via DocuSign. So we're going to give it just a moment, but we will see that our inbox will contain a DocuSign email. So we can see this. Go ahead and view the documents completely. So we now have received an email that we need to review and sign this document. So this is the contract that we've been working on this whole time. In DocuSign, we simply consent, we click continue, and then all that we need to do is provide a signature. So we can just click signature within the DocuSign view. We can scroll down and just drop our signature field wherever it may need to be. We're going to go ahead and give us a name. So I'll just use myself here. Adopt and sign. And now I have signed this. I can go ahead and click finish. And we're going to see that back in our Outlook inbox, this document is going to show up in just a moment. So when we click over, we see that the signed document is now attached. So we can go ahead and download this locally. Just drop this in our demo folder. Just make it say services contract. And now all we need to do is re-upload it into Alfresco as a user. So we've done our DocuSign send. We just need to upload that new version. So when we come to upload new version, we can just click here. We can select the file from our demo folder, which is just this PDF services contract. It's now finalized, so it's gone from a docx file to a PDF. We upload that new version, and then we are going to see it in this view. And we see at the bottom that we have our signature applied, so we have our final executed version of this document. So finally, now that our contract is complete, we can come in to the properties and select the complete status from the drop-down. Click complete, and then we have our completed contract.